Hello students, in this channel I am starting the C for beginners. So the first class is C programming. So we start with the algorithm. The topic will be the algorithm. So any programming language will first start with the algorithm. So first we see what's an algorithm. So algorithm can be defined as step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. So there will be some steps here. So a problem will be given and these are the steps we have to write before writing any program. So before starting the C programming, we'll just see what's an algorithm. So algorithm, as we define, it will be the step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. Okay, next, what are the notations in the algorithm? So steps to write the algorithm means this is the algorithm notation. So what is this means? First step is name of the algorithm. So what is a problem will be given to add numbers or to add numbers. So we will just write what is the name of that algorithm, that is sum of three numbers. So name of the algorithm is, in these the name of the problem to be solved has to be written. So what is the name? Anything to find the radius of the circle we can write here. So this follows, as the given problem we have to give a name to the algorithm. So next step is step number. So a number should be written in the order for the algorithm. So this is a step which indicates the number. It means what is the step number? So that will be the positive numbers starting from 1, 2, 3. So this is the step number. After writing the name of the algorithm, then it will be the step numbers. So we should give a number to the each step. So next will be explanatory comments. So any comments we can write in the bracket. So that will be enclosed in a square bracket. So any calculation is there, so we can write in the square bracket, add these two numbers. Then below that we can write the formula. So first enclose these with the comments will be always in the square bracket in the algorithm. So after this, termination. So termination, what is the termination means? That is the end of the algorithm. So termination will be the last instruction in the algorithm, and it indicates the end of the algorithm. So a stop statement is written in the termination. That is the last step of the algorithm. Last step of the algorithm will be the end of the algorithm, and it is written it is ended by using a stop statement. So this is the definition of the algorithm and the steps to be followed in the algorithm. So now we'll just write down some examples. So first we'll write an algorithm to print a word. So I'll write this one, example for algorithm. First example, examples. So write an algorithm and write an algorithm to print the word hello. Hello or hi. First we'll write a word hello. So what is this? First we'll just write down the algorithm here. Then print word hello in the bracket. Just this is an indicator, or print the given word you can write, or I am writing print the word hello. So next step 1 will be just write down step followed by reading the given word. Read the word. So any comments can be written in the square bracket. Word hello. Read the word hello. Close the bracket. Next, the read statement. We can write it as read hello. Next, this is the step 1. Then step 2 is print. What we have to read this and just print it. So print or write, we can say print the word hello. So now next is the print statement. Print hello. That's all. Reading the word, then printing the word. So after this, last step will be step 3. This will be end of algorithm. This is an end of algorithm. Just what we have to write here, stop. So once again I'll explain this. This is an example to write. Just read a word and print it. So first step is algorithm. Print the word. This is the algorithm. Then this is the topic of the algorithm. Print the word hello. Then step 1 we'll write in the bracket read the word hello. Then the read statement we have to write read hello. Then step 2 print the word hello. So write in the square bracket, since this is a comment. In every step there should be a comment. Print hello. After that print statement and print hello. Then step 3 will be the end of the algorithm, which is followed by the stop statement. So after this we'll write on the next example. So example 2. So write an algorithm to print the write an algorithm to sum 3 numbers. Sum 3 numbers. So for this one, same thing, write down algorithm. So starting any programming language, we first write down the algorithm. It will be a simplified method to write the program. So algorithm. So here I will write the topic addition of 3 numbers. Addition of 3 numbers or sum 3 numbers. Addition of 3 numbers. Next is step 1. Step 1 is read the values. Read the values A, B and C. So A, B and C. So next is the read statement. Read A, B and C. Next is step 3. Step 2. Compute. Compute means to perform the operation given. Compute the sum. Compute the sum. Then the sum will be A plus B plus C. Sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Step 3 will be print. So what we have to do after calculating sum? Print sum. Print sum. Then we can write it as print. So within quotes we can write sum of A, B and C equal to so we'll write equals here equal to comma, then we have to write sum. So last step is step 4. is end of the algorithm. End of algorithm, which is followed by stop statement. Stop. So this is the second example. We move on to the next one. So that is area of the circle. I'll continue the third example. The example is area of the circle. So excuse me for the disturbance. So example 3. So what is the third example? Write an algorithm to compute area of a circle. So we'll start it. Algorithm is find area of the circle. Then step 1 is, what is the formula? That is 3.4 into radius square, or pi into radius square. So it is the first step. Read radius or read r. Step 2, compute area or calculate, anything you can write, but it is better to use compute in the flowchart. Compute the area. So area will be, area is equal to 3.14, or radius, or you can also use r. So into radius into radius. After this, step 3 will be what? Print area. Print area. So print area of a circle. Okay, it is single quotes is enough here. Is equal to area. In the previous problem also we can write only single quotes. Area, comma, we can write then area. Then step 4 is end of algorithm. Then stop statement. That's all. So radius of the circle is pi r square. We can also use r instead of radius. So just first is the heading, algorithm, find the area of the circle. Then step 1 is read radius. Step 2 is compute the area, write down the formula here. Area is equal to 3.4 into radius. Then step 3 is print the area, then print area of the circle, area. Then last is step 4, end of the algorithm, that is stop. So we will next write down one more example. We'll solve. So that is, find the simple interest and compound interest. So example 4, write an algorithm to calculate simple interest and compound interest. Write an algorithm to calculate simple interest and compound interest. Okay, the first step is here. We'll write algorithm and the heading will be simple interest and compound interest. After this, step 1 will be read, write in the brackets, read what is the formula to calculate simple interest, that is PTR over 100. So read principal, time and R, PTR over 100. Okay, then read the values of PTR over PTR. Read, next is read statement is P, T and R. Next step is step 2 is compute simple interest. Compute simple interest. Therefore SI is equal to P into T into R by 100. So finished calculating. Then step 3 or we can write here only. Here only we can write compute. No need of another step. Compute, or you can also write, or in one statement only, simple interest and compound interest. So compound interest. So what is the formula? That is compound interest is equal to, if you are confusing you can take it as another step. So I am writing in one step, P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T minus P. So we calculated compound interest and simple interest. So finally step 3 is print simple interest and compound interest. Compound ST, simple interest and compound interest. For this, the print statement, print, again single quote, simple interest, then SI, again print compound interest, then CI. So after this, last step will be step 4, that is end of algorithm. Which is followed by stop statement. So I'll write stop here, stop. So what is this? This is an algorithm to find the simple interest and compound interest. First step is algorithm find simple interest or compound interest. Anything you can write, or just I am writing find simple interest or simple interest and compound interest, you can write. So this is the first step, writing the heading of the algorithm. Next step is to read the values PTR, then read PTR. Then step 2 is to compute the simple interest. SI is equal to P into T into R by 100. Then next is compute compound interest, that is CI is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. So to the power of T minus P. So next step is to print the simple and compound interest. Then write the print statement, simple interest inside the quote SI, and print compound interest within quotes, and then comma, then CI. Then step 4 is the end of the algorithm, and last we have to write the stop statement. So this concludes the definition of the algorithm and also the examples of the algorithm. So if you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.